So, welcome to your spreadsheet. This is where it's all going to happen. I'll give you a quick run through of the different tabs. The first tab is an introduction. Gives you a quick guide of what it's all about, how to contact me if you want to. So, you start off, you only put things in the pink boxes on any of these forms. This font one kind of sets up your business a little bit and it tells us a bit about what you're doing. So, you put your business name in here. So let's call you, like me, Pet Supplies. Business date, now for sole traders, it's always to the 5th of April. Now this one, if you have a couple of different streams to your business, you can put them in here. You might not, you might just sell one thing, you might sell lots of things, and you just think, actually just shove them all in together, that's fine. But you can separate them out. So, for example, we could have cat food and dog toys. Okay,